Hey, good morning to you. Chuck here at PALS. Kia, very popular vehicle. This particular Kia came from Buffalo, New York. They just moved here and started experiencing some brake problems. Well, what happens in Buffalo, New York every year? Lots of snowfall, lots of salt. What does that do to a vehicle? Well, it creates corrosion, and corrosion is the enemy when it comes for a car up north. As you can see, the rotors are very, very rusted. But the biggest problem is, look at the caliper. The calipers are seized up on the front of this vehicle. Back brakes are fine, but the calipers are seized up here, so we'll have to replace the calipers, pads and rotors. Then we'll bleed and flush the brake system. The good thing about living down here is they'll never have to deal with corrosion again. So as they replace components on this vehicle, they will never rust. So they'll never have this problem again. So if you've got a Kia Soul or any other kind of foreign or domestic vehicle, bring it to PALS. We hope to see you soon.